how to set memories notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to Facebook application. Here in Facebook homepage, go to menu on the lower right side on your screen. Okay, tap menu. Here in menu, go to gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. Okay, tap the gear icon. Here in settings and privacy and preference section, you can see here the notifications. Okay, you can go to this. In notification and what notifications you receive section, below of this, you can see here the memories. Okay, you can tap this to set. And now you can allow or disallow this memories notification on Facebook by switching on or off the switch button on the right side of this allow notification on Facebook. So for example, I turn off this. If you turn off this, okay, the pop-up below are show. Okay, now select the turn off button to turn off successfully. And if you want to turn on again, okay, you'll have to do switch on the switch button on the right side. And also you can set the where you receive this notification, the push, email, and SMS. So for example, I turn off all of this. And okay, that's it. We have successfully set memories notifications on Facebook. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.